Thumbnail. Oh, this would be a better thumbnail.
With the duckies behind.
Good day! What a glorious day! So the other day, my hay fever was really, really bad. And do you want to know why it was so bad? It was that this bloody tree spreading its dirty, dirty hay fever. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are indeed doing a vlog. You've probably guessed where we're going by the title, but we're going down to Newport Wetlands. Now, it's an awesome place to go. It's only £4 for parking. It's not that far from us, to be honest, and it is pretty beautiful down there. So that's where we're going to go today. We've got the scamp, but we are firstly having the most traditional, most healthiest Griggs. I see what's going on here. You had the gasket's gone. This bit here, the head gasket. I'm not going to touch it, man, because I can feel the heat coming from it. The head gasket's gone, Lou. You need a new gasket. The head gasket. No one is in a fun mood today by the looks of things. It is a beautiful day in Newport. So we've come to the Newport Wetlands. It's the entrance right here. How you doing? As you can see, there's loads of cars like parked down here because you've actually got to pay to get in. Now, we're obviously paying to get in because there's no way in hell Louise would park by and do things that she shouldn't be doing. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the main gate, the entrance to it, which is this way. So it's got like all this kind of nature reserve. It's got a little bit of information about the time opening and stuff like that. And there's also signs here to say that you're not allowed to walk here. But we do not listen to that. Look, no man allowed you here, mate. But I'm not sure if that's underneath, maybe, I don't know, because obviously there was a very clear path through that. There is a bus stop over here as well, so I think you can get a bus here. I'm pretty sure Amanda mentioned before we got a bus down here before, but I didn't think it was right here. Now, I think when you get out, that's when you need to pay. I'm not sure, because obviously you can't go out that way, so there must be a different way. But the nature reserve is this way. So let's go and have a little look at the Newport Wetlands. Let's see how wet they are. There is a little bit more information there about parking and stuff. Can't wait, can you? There's a little information here about dog walking. So you're not allowed to take your dog yet, no? The walk, oh look at that. The walk Wales Coast Path, that way. Oh, interesting. Bit of information here. Oh yeah. Yes.
Yeah, you did before?
A long time ago.
Yeah, go with that one turn right. You'll see my colleagues down the corner. They'll tell you about the reserve. And you have a lovely time in the sunshine today.
Thank you. Hiya, mate. Look at this. We've got otters, cranes. I don't know. You know what I'm like, guys. When I come to naming stuff, I haven't got a clue. I don't know birds. I don't even know. I haven't got a clue of birds. The only bird I know is a seagull and a pigeon. And a hawk, I guess. I guess if I see a hawk, I'd know a hawk. So lady says, yeah, but it looks like it's led us to like we're on the road. Okay. Some guy walked past me and he said morning, and I totally ignored him. Fucking hell. It's an army of midges. I was going to say moths then. What is this? Oh, that's cool, like little information. Creating a wetland wonderland. like a theme park. Now, we've been here once when Logan was a baba. It's the first time he ever tried ice cream, actually. And there will be plenty to sniff around here. Welcome to Newport Wetlands. £4 all day. Pay at the visitor centre. Card payment available. Free RSVP members. Enjoy your visit. Could this be the thumbnail? Thumbnail? I don't know. That water looks very stagnant, doesn't it? Oh, it looks deep, doesn't it? Okay, so we're going across a bridge.
I can't wait to take you to the lighthouse.
It's like
That bridge is
it's like Disneyland. This we're going into Disneyland.
floating bridge.
So this is like the wetland kind of reserve. I think it's like shops here. You can buy like snacks and stuff like that, and duck feed and stuff. Exciting, isn't it? The building's on top of like a lake. It's interesting. Let's see what we got in here then. Smells like burnt toast. Oh, they got binoculars, yeah? Hey, mate. I don't understand, right? Why is one eye black and the other one is like... Oh, maybe because my eye's not looking through it. Oh, wow. Can you see anything? You can buy these, look, mate. You're looking the wrong way. It's the other way. The other way. Look at that. It's mad, isn't it? Like, he's never looked for a pair of binoculars before. Oh, so they got like a shop here where you can buy all kind of like bird stuff. If that's your thing. Oh, these are cool.
I think it might just go through.
Shall we? Oh, this is nice. Oh wow, this is awesome. Look at this. Nice to sit by here. Look, and have your dinner. I think we're gonna sit by there though, with our Gregs, and we're gonna cheat. It's quite nice, isn't it? It's a bit bright though. The sun is shining in the eye. Here you buy books. All about kind of like, I'm assuming they're all about like plants and stuff and birds and Matthew McConaughey. Look at these, mate.
There's one up there.
Yeah, I know, mate. Look at the binoculars.
I know a word one.
What?
I know a word one.
Oh, look at that one. It's like a kid's one. Cool, isn't it? You don't know what binoculars are, do you, mate?
Crappy paper.
Crappy paper.
There's use of crappy paper.
I remember, see, when I was a kid, my grandfather used to have a set of binoculars. Yeah, always used to like, when we used to go pub call, always was taken with us. I remember the smell, man. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, wow. Are we not sitting by here?
No, you've got to purchase food to sit by there.
Who said that?
It says on the side.
That's shit, isn't it? You have to purchase food to sit in this view. It doesn't matter. There's loads of awesome places to go and have a look at anyway. As well. That's fun. Because it's a nature reserve, I think it's got a lot of kind of like... oh yeah, there's a map here. Time to explore. Here for the day or a shortened time, take a look at the map. So we are currently here. That's where we are right now. Oh, it's massive. Look at the size of it. You've got a nice little walk. That away. There's a lighthouse down here somewhere. I think it might be here. Oh, there you go. East Usk Lighthouse. Now, the lighthouse is the key. I think it looked really cool on the vlog. What's this? Yeah. It's like a mini lighthouse, look. We'll check it out. The Rising Storm. These are solar panels. So this is written in Welsh. Do not understand that. And yeah. The land on which we stand is as fluid as the tides. There are no instructions for the future. What happens next is up to all of us. Walk from here to the sea and tell us what you discover on your journey. Should we want to have a look at this pheasant? Oh, he's gone. Right. Oh wow, what's this, mate? Ah, pheasant's gone. This is interesting, isn't it? Oh, this is awesome. The height. Oh, it's like loads of history about Newport. Oh, this is where we are, look. There's a lighthouse. That's that industrial thing over there. That is awesome. The Gwent levels. Oh wow, that's really nice as well. Oh Jesus! Silence. I'm getting shouted at by the birds. That is a mighty table.
I know it's huge, yeah.
Where we are going to enjoy our delicious Greggs. Greggs is not what it used to be. It just doesn't taste the same. I'm very disappointed in my Greggs pasty. It gets a bronze spud, ladies and gentlemen. It's just not the same. Corned beef pasties used to be amazing. But now, it's a bronze. And I am most upset.
And it's overpriced.
Oh, how much for one pasty? I think there's too many of them. And because there's so many of them, they're going to mass produce stuff. They're probably doing that before.
A pasty was like £1.60.
They used to be £1, didn't they? 90p.
Or £1.40 I think the pasties were, and the bottles were £1.60.
See, old people moan about back in their day. I moan about Greggs. Greggs has changed completely. Yeah. Plane! Plane! A plane, look! I think it's time. Just let you guys know, I was very disappointed with that Greggs. As you probably already know, because I had a little rant about it. A delish! Right, so we're going to try and get down to the lighthouse.
You pumped!
I did fart. My ass is wet. I don't know why. I think I shit myself.
I can smell that in the back of my throat.
You smell it in your throat.
Oh,
According to the Met Office.
Look, Logan.
I can smell
Look.
it.
There's a park. Go play.
Oh my God.
Reunited. According to the Met Office, our sense of smell is better during the spring because there's more moisture in the air. Stop and take a big sniff. What can you smell, Lou? What can you smell?
Your pump in the back of
My ass. I like that. Stop and take a big sniff. I do lots of sniffs. Where does this lead? Onto some pretty nice grass. Oh, Logan, look. There's a little house over here. Should we go in it? So we found a house. That's where we're going to live. Any room for me in there?
Kind of.
Oh, I don't know if I'm going to fit in here, mate.
You're not used to crawling, are you?
I'm not used to crawling. I'm not used to going into little tight spaces, mate.
I'm used to
Why is it wet in here?
I don't know.
Hiya, mate. Do you know what? It's actually hurting my knees.
Yeah, didn't get out.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out. Look at that, got little spirals. Look, just spy on people.
And this one is the pee hole.
That's the wee, is it?
Yeah, you just put your penis up there and then
You put your penis up there. Right. I'll die, mate. I need to get out. I'm stuck.
right, okay. See you later, gay man.
I'm stuck. No, I'm seriously stuck.
Right, see you later.
My leg's stuck. Look, help. Oh, my knees. Ugh. My knees are bloody killing me. What is this? What is this contraption? I don't like how muddy everything is.
I'm a secret agent.
That looks fun. Right, I've got to catch up with you over here, mate.
Huh?
We'll come back and play in the park.
That is a bug hotel.
A bug hotel, eh? I don't think I'd want to go in there if I was that small. It's full of ants.
Me and Lou read the sign about bees back up there, right? And do you know that the queen bee lays 2,000 eggs a day?
Yeah, I knew that.
That's amazing, isn't it?
I knew that. Did you know that, Lou?
No, I did not.
Did you not know that? These guys haven't got a clue. The best sniff in all of the land. I love sniffing gloves. Delish. That smells like it smells like dogs. I guess we go that way, is it?
Yeah, I've got to keep going straight up.
Awesome. Up the San Francisco style pathway. The zigzag path. The path of the zigzag. There's probably loads of things we're missing. Oh, you okay? I missed it! He fell over! Oh, that's a shame, isn't it? Right. Or did we get it? I'm not sure. Hopefully we did. Get my boy falling over. Oh, I like this. It's like a crossroads. It reminds me a little bit like do you know, you ever seen the film Castaway? The part where at the very end of the film he's like, which way do I go? And he's in his car. Feels a little bit like that. Okay, cool. Plane. Right, what does this mean? So another map telling you what kind of birds we're going to see. We could see a bearded tit. That's me, mate. I like this as well. This kind of design. Wetlands reserves. This plaque was unveiled on Thursday the 2nd of March 2000 by the chairman of the Cardiff Bay Development Corporation. Oh well. Well, this is pretty, isn't it? Come on.
You can sit here.
Isn't that nice?
People who got like cameras and stuff and take photos.
Do you know what? If I had a camera, there's some swans that... Well, I got a camera, but if I had a proper camera, but that'd be a nice picture. Of some swans. Oh, that's awesome. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. No, it looks shit. We will get a better thumbnail in a minute. Oh wow, look at this. This is awesome. The flies are flying around me. Get him! Yes, sweet blood! We want his blood! Get the fuck away from me, you fucking bastards! Oh wow, look at this.
Remember the bridge? The rocky bridge?
But that there is the destination, ladies and gentlemen. The lighthouse. Oh wow, look at this bridge. Is this the bridge you were on about, man? Man was saying it's like a dodgy bridge or something. Don't look dodgy. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Oh yeah.
Oh my god! That's so strange. You can hear it. Oh my god! That's so weird! Oh my god!
Yeah, the water splashing. It's pretty cool. It was fun. Thumbnail. Oh, this would be a better thumbnail.
With the duckies behind.
Good day! Logan! Come back, mate! Oh, wow. This is amazing. It's the lighthouse. Is this still a working lighthouse, though? That is the question. East Usk Lighthouse. It was constructed in 1893 by the Trinity House and is one of two lighthouses that mark the entrance to the River Usk. Still in operation, the lighthouse sends out 2 flashes every 10 seconds to the Severn Estuary. It is vital navigation aid for ships approaching Newport for over 100 years. Wow. Thumbnails galore. This is pretty, this. This is quite nice. Look at that. Sorry guys, you don't want to see me, you want to see the view. Isn't that beautiful? So that there is England. I'm sure that's the lighthouse we went to the other week. We drove down there in the dark. We couldn't do anything. I think we were trying to get to this one. Awesome stuff. This is very nice. I'm very impressed. Sound like thunder. Private property. Newport Harbour Commissioner. It's a shame we can't get in there, isn't it? Wow, look at this though. This is nice, isn't it, guys? Isn't this pretty? And this is Newport. Another part of Newport, which is phenomenal, to be honest. Shame they don't have like pathways you can go up into the sea. Not that I want to go over there. I kind of want to go in there because it says I can't go in there. It makes me want to go in there. It's like, don't push that red button. I want to push the button. Now the pathway leads that way as well, but I don't know where it leads. Don't know if we can get back onto the wetland reserve that way, because there's more of this to look at, the wetlands. But this is definitely a reward for travelling across the Newport Wetlands. Oh man, it's nice, isn't it? Birds are chirping, singing songs. They're saying subscribe to Spudboys. If, by the way, you're not already subscribed. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We just hit over 3,500 by the time we're watching this. So whenever you are watching this, if you look down to the subscriber count, let's see if we had any more. That'd be cool. 3,500 subscribers. It is absolutely crazy to think that, to be honest. But it's good. And I thought that, you know, we'd only get about 100, 200 subscribers. I just thought it'd be a cool place to put vlogs up, just documenting your life, creating memories, really. Going on experiences, going on adventures, you know, so I could basically go on adventures and show people where I go and what I get up to and people I talk to and stuff. But next thing you know, it's actually becoming, it's doing really well. It's taking ages, but it's good. A lot of hard work's going into this, you know. Oh man, imagine being on a plane. It'd be awesome. It'd be scary, but it'd be awesome. I wonder where they're going. I wonder if we can somehow get up in a plane. That'd be a fun vlog, wouldn't it, guys? Going up in a little plane like that, flying over the sea. Or is this a river? Man, is this a sea or the river? I don't think it is the sea. Because it's that over there, look. Because it's between two islands. The seventh river, isn't it? Is it the seventh? It's not a sea, is it?
Well, I thought it was.
It looks like the sea. It might be the sea. I don't know. But I want to say it's a river because it's between two things, like the seventh river. I don't know. Guys, let me know in the comments. I could Google it, but it makes it more fun then. David, I know you're already on it, mate. You've already told me in the comments. So, this is the situation, okay? Louise has to get us back at the house by 12 because she's going away for the weekend. And it's 20 past 11 now. So unfortunately, we can't go and explore. Oh wow. Does that look weird? Hey mate. So we can't really go and explore where we want to explore, but we want to get Logan in the park. So we're going to go back the way we came. Normally, you know, with the vlogs and guys, normally I'll go down there and go and explore or whatever. But we've got to get back. But it's been a fun vlog so far. I love this bridge. Not a thumbnail because I've already got it. Bugs, you're on my vlog.
He was doing a moonwalk, Logan.
Oh look, it's one of these benches. It was a sex bench. But Mike, we've already seen this, but you haven't seen it with a sniff.
Maybe not.
It's got a cobweb on it. Careful mate, what are you doing? So you can take pictures of the birds. And I'm not talking about females, I'm talking about
Actual birds.
birds. Oh look, there's two dirty birds there. Sean, two dirty birds. Wow, would you look at all those chickens? Look at that, a tuft duck. Pochard, oh there's so many different types of duck. Oh no! Well, we did, Mike. We know there's loads of species of duck. You're obviously uneducated when it comes to the bird species. Yeah. Look at the size of that guy's camera. That's massive. It looks like a telescope. Alright, so the park's down here. But I want to go and explore a different way. The wetlands experience.
Look, see, it tells you how long the walk is.
Yeah, I know. 1.5 hours. Maybe there'll be another wetlands vlog. I direct you the wrong way. Oh. How silly of me. I just want to go and have a look at this, I do. It looks cool. Like a dock of some sort. There's not much really going on by here. Whoa, your camera is huge. That is one big camera. What's that for? So you can zoom in?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's the idea.
That's amazing. How much a piece of kit cost?
That was about 1,500, I guess.
Nice.
The lens, not the camera. But,
Yeah. How much was the lens? Oh, 1,500 for the lens, is it?
yeah.
That's an amazing lens. Amazing camera. Cheers, dude. Oof. And I use this. This is my camera. But that's, obviously you can imagine the kind of zoom you can get on that bad boy. So obviously getting pictures of like swans and stuff and ducks. I suppose you could take pictures of other things as well, rather than birds. Like females bathing on the beach.
When I'm like this, I can't get up.
Go on, keep going.
No! No!
Oh, it's really cool. People are going around saying, oh, let's learn about otters. And Logan just doesn't care about any of that. I found a bridge of some sort. Oh, wow. Don't know what this used to be. Maybe an old dam. Or something. Very dangerous what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen. Do not do what I'm doing. Oh god, is this going to hold my weight? Hold a break. Ooh. Geronimo! My legs almost gave way then. What a cool little park, look. Yes. I'm on a park. Look at me, everyone. I'm on a park. I'm pretty good with balancing. Being a big guy. I can balance pretty well. Oh, like Wolverine. Which one's that? No, Neil. Which one's that with the dancing? I'm sure it's Wolverine. Who he's training on the, no. What film is it? Batman. Thanks, mate. That's very kind of you, sir. Question is...
There's nothing in there!
There's nothing in there, it's been stolen!
Louis got a chocolate egg! Get her!
Question is, how am I going to get down?
You idiot.
I am quite high, I'm about 4 foot high.
No, you're not.
Man, can you just guide my foot, man?
You can easily jump off this thing.
Okay. I'm stuck. No, I'm not stuck. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna scale it.
Oh, hi, mate.
Here we go. Look.
Hello!
Yes. I've played too much Assassin's Creed to get stuck. Oh, Jesus! Slippery.
Obviously, Jumbo.
Oh, it's a bit. It's a little bit on the.
Is it going under the water? I'm not getting
Oh, it is, yeah.
piss. Piss. Nope, how out.
It's a little bit on the slippery side. Oh god, I can't do it with one hand.
Right, get the head off.
Yes. Ow.
Stop crying like a little crybaby.
Animal!
I'm not getting on. How are we meant to get
What was that, Lou? You want me to go on there with you? Okay, let's both go on it.
No!
Come on, Lou. I think this would be a zen place, you know, you come down here just to chill and get away from like the busy hustle and bustle of the world.
Don't.
I didn't do anything.
I know you were gonna jail. You were gonna push me.
I wasn't. because that is very irresponsible of a parent.
I know you kind of.
But I didn't want to push you, was I, mate? I was going to punch you in the ribs. Then you fall off your own accord. This is an unusual climbing frame. What an unusual climbing frame! Oh God, it's not very safe. No, mate, it might tipple. Geronimo! That's like 5 Geronimos in this vlog.
Hey, look at this.
You gotta shout Geronimo.
Geronimo!
Move you. We'll leave. Oh, you live.
I know you won't do that.
It's actually fairly busy up here now, isn't it? So we came at the right time. The frog's giving birth. Look at this, a recent sighting board. So it's got all the kind of things that people have seen. It's really interesting. What's that one? So ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be the end of this little adventure down the wetlands. I thought it was quite fun. These don't smell of anything. It's attacking me. But yeah, I think that was quite fun. It was quite, obviously it's a little bit different. It cost £4 for us to get in because we parked in the car park. But I think a lot of people, as you can see, they were parking outside, so they don't have to pay anything. And I suppose then you don't have to worry about getting locked in, do you? Everywhere I go, the sun is always behind me. But I just thought this shot of the bridge would be an awesome place to end the vlog. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope it was good. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, Newport Wetlands, it is definitely worth coming down. You've got to spend a few hours though. And probably it'd be cool to bring, like, you know, bring a picnic and stuff like that. So yeah, awesome. I don't even know what to say. Apart from I really enjoyed that. It was such a nice view down there, and it's kind of like a proper chill place, isn't it? It would be a cool place to come down and just escape like the hustle and bustle of like everyday life kind of thing, and just chill and relax and take in the nature and the hay fever. Look, hay fever is ripe down here. I have taken an anti-inflammatory histamine, I don't know, some hay fever tablet basically, and hopefully it's fixed the sneezing and the soreness and stuff. So now I'm going to shut up now. So thank you very much for watching the vlog. I hope it was good, and I will catch you all on the flip side. Beep, 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 beep.